Sarracenia leucophylla was purchased. This Sarracenia leucophylla is different from ordinary ones. The flowers are double-flowered. Let's replant. I think I can divide roots for replanting. First, remove the old soil. Rinse off the soil with water so as not to damage the roots. Divide roots for replanting is done. Disinfect the scissors used for cutting by roasting them over a fire. Cut only the dead parts. There are digested insects. The soil used is a mixture of Canuma soil and peat moss in the ratio of 82. The Canuma soil is washed with water to remove any dust. Place a large piece of Canuma soil in the bottom of the pot. Larger Canuma soil is also washed with water to wash away dust. Fill the pot with soil and make a hole in the center. Put the Sarracenia in the center of the hole. Replanting is done. I finally did it. Sarracenia has bloomed. The only Sarracenia in bloom now is this double-flowered one. I would like to try to pollinate them. If we are lucky, it will produce seeds. Now let's try to pollinate the flowers. First of all, if you look inside the flower, you will find stamens. This is where the pollen is. We're going to twirl these around with a hairy object. The pollen is already falling. It may be hard to see, but the pollen is attached. Next, look for the pistil. There it is. If you put pollen on this pistil, pollination is complete. There are 5 protuberances, so put pollen on all of them. We have successfully pollinated all of them. If all goes well, we can harvest the seeds.